What's up, y'all? Welcome back. My name is Janae Dion, and of course, I play Jada on the Quarantine Chronicles. And this week, we have another Quarantini of the Week called ABCs. I decided to make a drink that incorporated apple juice because these girls were acting real childish this episode. All right, so let's just get into it. For this recipe, all you need is a rocks glass full of ice and your measuring utensil. I'm using shot glasses, of course, but you have a jigger if you want to use that as well. So when you're building a drink, you typically want to start with your alcohol first. The alcohol we have is Bacardi rum. That's going to be the B in the ABCs. So I'm going to take, again, a full shot of Bacardi. After that, then we are going to mix in our mixers. So with the apple juice, I'm going to do about 1 ounce or half a shot glass full. And cranberry juice, the C. Get a little color up in there. It's gonna be half a shot glass as well. And then after that, you are simply just gonna top it off with your Sprite. Get a nice little bubble, a little fizz going, a little Cheers. Yeah. Takes me back to my childhood, y'all. Alcohol probably shouldn't do that. But it's the apple juice and the cranberry that takes me back, not the whatever. Don't judge me. See you next week.